Hello, my name is David Wainwright and I work as a trading director for Travis Perkins, TP. I wanted to say how proud I am of the social media campaign that TP have launched for Pride Month this year. Because from the outside looking in, our industry, the construction industry, is hyper-masculine, and I know that can be really off-putting for members of minority groups, including the LGBTQ+ community. And we all know that a diverse workforce is a more effective, high-performing workforce, but we do lag behind when it comes to diversity in this sector. So we've got to try harder. We've got to be more intentional in what we do to ensure that people, regardless of their background, see our sector as a viable option for their career. Now, we can only achieve this if we remember that everybody has the right to be themselves at work, and that nobody should have to go to work feeling that they can't be open with their colleagues about their sexuality. We want to make sure that everybody across this sector has a working environment that's free from prejudice, discrimination and judgment. Now, I'm really proud to work for TP because one of our cornerstones as a business is about upholding family values. And for me, that means that everybody feels welcomed, that everyone feels that their contribution is valued, and that everybody can be at their best. And we want to lead by example and demonstrate that the perception that our industry still works on an outdated mentality when it comes to diversity isn't true. I would love for everybody to feel as respected, valued and welcomed as I do at TP, because I know I can be me at TP.